Hey everybody, we've got a little project going on. We recently found some space in our basement, so we moved some stuff around. I had a gear room. It's kind of a closet. So we moved some stuff out of there, all my stuff out of there and stuff into there. Made space in this room behind me and in front of me. It's half of this room. And I'm gonna get a bigger, more comfortable, well-lit gear room. So stick around, watch the process. So this is where my new gear room is going to be. Half of a room. And what I'm planning on doing on that wall right there, I'm going to put pegboard all over that. I'd like to backlight it. And I'm going to build a bench here. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do here. Another shelf maybe. And then on the bottom of this, I'm going to add some hooks to hang bags and other miscellaneous items. Here's all my camping gear right now. Some ammo. So that's the plan. I'm gonna get started. First, I guess I'll show you my old gear room. This is a utility closet in our basement, where we had some space when we first moved in, and I turned it into my gear room. Cleaned it all out, painted walls, threw some carpet down, painted some pipes, made it look a little bit comfier. It's where all my tools are, all my construction DIY stuff. I pegboard this entire wall, see if I can get a better view. The entire wall there, all pegboard. And some hooks and stuff there. I built this bench, 8-foot long bench, some simple brackets and a piece of wood. Stained it, put some polyurethane on it. Got all my camping gear here, guns there, and I had that shelf there, and I hung, liquid nailed these to the walls, gave me some hooks and stuff, but it was getting old being this tight, so we moved all of our kitchen stuff in here and random things that we have. I'll miss it, but I turned this empty room into this closet, gear closet, for $100, so I'm hoping I can get this new one done for even cheaper. The point of my style of DIY isn't to get it right, because I don't get it right all the time. I rarely get it right. But the point is to do it as cheap as possible, get it done without spending much money, and have it be durable and useful. So that's my goal for this one. So far I've spent, I don't know, $40. I'm gonna have all the pegboard and hooks to hang up, and I think I'm gonna try to get out of it for under $100. We'll see. Oh, and another reason I wanted to change rooms was because of this. This is a steel door that locks. It's actually got a lock on it. The other one was a very, very cheap door with no lock, and all this stuff is fairly expensive, and I want my guns locked up properly. And also, this room is soundproof. People who used to live here had a band, and they soundproofed this room. So it's kind of like a little panic room. It's not that quite that soundproof, but it'll be nice. All right, I'm gonna get started. These are the cheap hooks I bought. Nothing special. Some simple hooks. Let's see how they work. Perfect. Does exactly what I wanted them to do, which is hold my bags. Bought 6 hooks. Forgot I wanted 7. These little hooks were very cheap. I can't remember. 40 cents a piece. Alright, hooks are done. Voila. That's all I'm going to do today. It's going to be a process. It's 2 o'clock in the morning right now, so I think I'm just going to relax. Girlfriend's sleeping, so I don't want to use a saw, and I have to move forward. I need to use a saw and drill into walls and stuff. And I'm pretty tired. Alright, that's all I'm going to do today. See you next time.